So look here at this little roof we did. Right? Everything looks good on it, huh? Look at that pipe boat, boy. I'm telling you what. There used to be a chimney right here. Yeah. Look at this valley, son. Don't I know how to lace a valley? And look, here's another one. And here's my chimney. What? See the ridge vent we put on? It's low profile. It's like a wire mesh. It's a fully vented, not like some of them. It's got the plastic and it's capped. This is vented all the way to the shingle, all the way down. Look at this valley. What in the mess? This is the part we framed. Oh yeah, and here's another pipe boot. Pretty good sized roof, isn't it? Yeah. Y'all have a good day.